The way we shop has changed. E-commerce is booming, and artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the forefront of this revolution. But what exactly is AI, and how is it transforming the online shopping experience for both businesses and consumers? In simple terms, AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. In the world of e-commerce, AI is being used to personalize the shopping experience, automate tasks, and gain valuable insights from customer data. Imagine a world where online stores know your preferences better than you do, where customer service is available 24/7, and where inventory management is a breeze. This is the power of AI in e-commerce. As we delve deeper into the world of AI-powered e-commerce, we'll explore the specific tools that are driving this transformation and how they can help your business thrive in the competitive online marketplace. In the ever-evolving landscape of e-commerce, staying ahead of the competition is crucial. This is where AI tools come into play, offering a powerful arsenal to boost sales and elevate your business to new heights. AI tools are designed to streamline operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and ultimately, drive revenue growth. These intelligent systems can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make data-driven decisions, all in real time. One of the key benefits of AI tools is their ability to personalize the shopping experience. By understanding customer preferences, purchase history, and browsing behavior, AI algorithms can tailor product recommendations, promotions, and even website content to individual shoppers. Moreover, AI-powered tools can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your valuable time and resources. From customer service inquiries to inventory management, AI can handle these tasks efficiently and accurately, allowing you to focus on strategic initiatives. The use of AI in e-commerce is no longer a futuristic concept, it's a present-day reality that's transforming the industry at an unprecedented pace. By embracing these powerful tools, businesses can gain a significant competitive edge and position themselves for sustained success. Imagine having a tireless sales assistant available 24/7 to answer customer questions and process orders. That's the power of chatbots, AI-powered virtual assistants that interact with customers through text or voice. They provide instant, personalized support on your website, messaging platforms, or social media. Chatbots handle large volumes of inquiries simultaneously, ensuring prompt assistance anytime. This 24/7 availability enhances customer satisfaction and reduces cart abandonment. In the vast sea of products available online, helping customers find what they're looking for quickly and easily is essential. This is where recommendation engines, another powerful AI tool, come into play. Recommendation engines use AI algorithms to analyze customer data, such as past purchases, browsing history, and product ratings, to suggest relevant products that they are more likely to be interested in. By providing personalized recommendations, you can increase customer engagement, drive sales, and foster customer loyalty. Think of Netflix or Amazon. These platforms use sophisticated recommendation engines to suggest movies, TV shows, or products based on your viewing or purchase history. This personalized approach not only enhances the customer experience but also increases the likelihood of making a purchase. Recommendation engines can be implemented in various ways, such as personalized product carousels on your homepage, targeted email campaigns, or even pop-up suggestions during the checkout process. By leveraging the power of AI to understand your customers' preferences, you can guide them towards their perfect purchase and create a more enjoyable and rewarding shopping experience. Inventory management is a critical aspect of any e-commerce business. Having too much inventory can tie up valuable capital, while having too little can lead to stockouts and disappointed customers. AI-powered inventory management systems can help you strike the perfect balance. These intelligent systems use machine learning algorithms to analyze historical sales data, seasonality trends, and even external factors, such as weather patterns, to forecast future demand with remarkable accuracy. This allows you to optimize your inventory levels, reduce waste, and ensure that you have the right products in stock at the right time. Moreover, AI-powered inventory management systems can automate tasks such as purchase order generation, supplier communication, and even warehouse optimization. This frees up your time and resources, allowing you to focus on other areas of your business. By having a clear understanding of your inventory levels and accurate demand forecasts, you can minimize the risk of stockouts, reduce carrying costs, and improve your overall supply chain efficiency. This translates into happier customers, increased sales, and a healthier bottom line. In today's competitive e-commerce landscape, providing a personalized shopping experience is no longer a luxury, it's an expectation. Customers crave tailored recommendations, relevant content, and a seamless shopping journey across all devices. AI-powered personalization tools empower you to deliver just that. By harnessing the power of machine learning, these tools can analyze vast amounts of customer data to create detailed customer profiles, segment your audience, and deliver personalized experiences at scale. Imagine a website that greets customers by name, recommends products based on their past purchases, and even adjusts the website layout based on their browsing behavior. AI-powered personalization makes this a reality. From personalized product recommendations to targeted email campaigns, AI enables you to create a unique and engaging shopping experience for each customer. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction but also increases brand loyalty and drives repeat purchases. The power of AI in e-commerce is backed by real-world success stories. Let's explore how AI drives results in e-commerce. Amazon's AI recommendation engine boosts sales significantly. It analyzes data to recommend products, enhancing customer satisfaction. Alibaba uses AI for fraud detection, customer service, and recommendations. Their chatbot, Alime, handles millions of inquiries daily. Stitch Fix uses AI to curate personalized clothing selections. AI provides a personalized experience for each customer. AI is transforming the e-commerce landscape. Embracing AI tools improves customer satisfaction, sales, and efficiency. What's next for AI in e-commerce in 2024 and beyond? Key trends are emerging that will shape the industry. AI-powered personalization will become more sophisticated, delivering tailored experiences across all touchpoints. Voice commerce is gaining momentum. AI-powered voice assistants will enable seamless shopping. AR and VR are transforming online shopping, allowing virtual try-ons and home visualization. Predictive analytics will forecast demand and optimize operations. Embracing AI positions businesses at the forefront of e-commerce. Section 9. The future of e-commerce, an AI-powered landscape. The future of e-commerce is inextricably linked with the continued advancement and integration of artificial intelligence. As AI technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, its impact on the e-commerce industry will only become more profound. Imagine a world where online stores can anticipate your needs before you even know them, where personalized shopping experiences are the norm, and where every interaction with an e-commerce business is seamless, intuitive, and tailored to your individual preferences. This is the future of e-commerce that AI is shaping. From AI-powered chatbots that provide instant customer support to recommendation engines that guide you towards your perfect purchase, AI is transforming every aspect of the e-commerce journey. And as AI technology continues to mature, we can expect even more innovative and transformative applications to emerge in the years to come. The e-commerce businesses that embrace the power of AI and leverage it to enhance their operations, personalize their customer experiences, and drive innovation will be the ones that thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape. Embracing the AI advantage, staying ahead of the curve. E-commerce businesses must embrace AI to stay ahead. Identify areas where AI can make the biggest impact. Struggling with customer service, inventory, or personalization? Choose AI tools that align with your business needs. Ensure robust data collection for AI. Experiment, monitor results, and adjust as needed. Embrace AI to unlock growth, efficiency, and satisfaction. Section 11. Conclusion: AI, the future of e-commerce success. The e-commerce landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this transformation. From chatbots that provide instant customer support to recommendation engines that personalize the shopping experience, AI tools are empowering businesses to enhance their operations, engage their customers, and drive revenue growth. As we've explored in this essay, the benefits of AI in e-commerce are undeniable. By embracing the power of AI, businesses can automate tasks, gain valuable insights from customer data, and deliver personalized experiences that foster customer loyalty. The future of e-commerce is inextricably linked with the continued advancement and integration of AI. The e-commerce businesses that embrace this transformative technology, invest in the right tools, and adopt a data-driven mindset will be the ones that thrive in the years to come. As the e-commerce landscape continues to evolve, one thing remains clear. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a present-day reality that's reshaping the industry and empowering businesses to achieve unprecedented levels of success.